from all across the diaspora. My name's Oguma, also known as August the Great, and today I'm going to teach you about basic trigonometry. So, what is trigonometry, or trig as we like to say? Well, trigonometry is the study of triangles, specifically right triangles. Right triangles are triangles with a 90-degree angle. Well, what do we use trigonometry for? We use trigonometry to figure out how tall a building is, how far a rocket goes, or even video game mechanics. Well, back to the triangles. In every triangle, we name the sides of their position relative to an angle, which we call theta. There are three sides: adjacent, opposite, and hypotenuse. The longest line is the hypotenuse. The side that is opposite from the angle is the opposite side. And the side that is next to the angle but not the hypotenuse is the adjacent. Now, there are three functions we use to find what theta is. We can use either sine, we can use cosine, or we can use tangent. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse. You take the opposite side and divide it by the hypotenuse side. Cosine is when you take the adjacent side and divide that by the hypotenuse side. And tangent is when you take the opposite side and you divide it by the adjacent side. Let's say we have a right triangle and the angle is 30 degrees. The opposite side is 5 feet and the hypotenuse is 10 feet. What's the sine of the 30-degree angle? Well, we know that sine is opposite over hypotenuse. So we just do 5 divided by 10 and we get 0.5. 0.5 is the sine of 30 degrees. Bye guys! Thanks for watching the Learning Squad. Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. And go to africanair.com to get yourself your own t-shirt. It'll really help us out on our learning tour in Africa. Bye!